SCOPE success story has started together. And to keep on shining, we'll see you again in SCOPE21. Our global experts will drive you this year through extensive activities to develop innovative solutions that will asset in overcoming challenges in our daily practice. On behalf of the Saudi Cardiac Clinical Pharmacy Scientific and Organizing Committee, it is with great pleasure to welcome you all to the virtual SCOPE21, with the conference theme of Innovative Medicine with Variable Scientific Challenges, this 17th to 18th December 2021. Let us start our journey together through a quick and easy process of virtual platform sign-in. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you've forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button, and you'll receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. Lobby. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Here in the auditorium, you'll attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session. And the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You'll find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session. And down here is the button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin your schedule and keep you notified. Exhibit Hall. In this unique virtual exhibition hall, our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check the services provided in the description box, and you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Information Desk. Here's the Information Desk. Type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Networking Lounge. Lastly, the Networking Lounge is dedicated for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. The conference will cover a broad range of topics including updates in health practice and regulatory adaptation, therapeutics guidelines, medical devices, health technology, healthcare resources, and future therapy. We wish you all the most fruitful event with interesting discussions and exchange of knowledge.